Pencils scattered on the floor, rainbows leaking out the door. In the lines I won't confine, make a mess that's truly mine. Sky's a canvas full of dreams, crayons melting into streams. Scribble skies and paint the night, every shade a different light. Coloring outside the lines, mixing shades and breaking signs. Passing time with you so bold, art that never will get old. Sculpting figures with my thoughts, brushes dancing never caught. Smearing hues with reckless grace, creating worlds in empty space. Time dissolves in a sea of ink, every hue makes me think. Breathing life with every stroke, masterpiece with every joke. Coloring outside the lines, mixing shades and breaking signs. Passing time with you so bold, art that never will get old. Sculpting figures with my thoughts, brushes dancing never caught. Smearing hues with reckless grace, creating worlds in empty space.